जित्रना हामबाय दिनै जों नायनाय जे दा स्टेट गभर्नमेंट दा स्टेट निनि स्टेट नि तै निनि टीपीएससी हिंदी बा निनि टेट हिंदी जेकुनु कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम बो अब तंगो ini दा स्टेट नायतंगि इंडियन कन्स्टिट्यूशन जे आर्टिकल रक अब रिखांगे सिंह अनेक समय मायांगो किंतु मो क्लास के परे नंग मायांगला कन्फ्यूजन लाक आराम से नंग परीक्षाओ निनि क्लिक खाइमानाय जेमन इंडियन कन्स्टिट्यूशन पार्ट निनि 6 पार्ट 6 दा स्टेट पार्ट 6 दा स्टेट निनि पुइलाओ general जेमन 152 definition state ni je definition abo article number 152 abon pore chapter second hongkai bini executive no tuyui executive the governor puila article number 153 article number nini 153 o nini state ni je governor অবনতিই যে স্টেট ni je governor অবনতিই article number 153 ekai 154 hingkai nini executive power of the state executive power of state ni je executive power obo state ni je executive power obo article number 154 sija abon pore nini 155 appointment of governor no je appointment khainani oba article number 154 sija Indian Constitution article number 155 abon pore nini 156 hingga term of office of governor ni je term bini article number 156 Indian Constitution article number 156 hingga nini governor ni je bini office ni je term anpre 157 qualification for appointment as governor nini governor appointment ni bagui bini qualification article number 157 no sija amon pore 158 hingga condition of governor office office nini governor ni je office ni condition article number 158 sija abon pore nini article number 159 hingga order affirmation by the governor ni order affirmation hingga article number 159 article number 160 hingga discharge of the function of the governor in certain contingency abo nini article number 160 abon pore 161 hingga nini power of governor to grant pardon etc and to suspect remit or commit sentence in certain cases of article number 161 article number 161 no amon pore article number 162 hingga extent of executive power of state ni je executive power no extend khainani article number 162 sija amon pore council of minister 163 council of minister to aid and advise governor article number 163 article number 163 council of minister to aid and advise governor article number 164 other provision as the minister other provision as to minister the advocate general for the state 165 advocate general for the state ni je advocate general abo article number 165 sija conduct of governor business 166 conduct of business of the government of a state amon pore 167 duties of chief minister as respect the furnishing of information to governor abroad amon pore chapter 3 of the state legislator যেহেতু তিনি স্টেট নি অকাশে ভিডিও পাইন একদম আরামসে নিনি অনেক অনেক মার্ক কেরি খাইনে 1 থেকে 2 বার না দি মুইতো নারে দি জেনারেল নিনি 168 কনস্টিটিউশন অফ লেজিসলেটিভ in the state state ni je legislator bini constitution article number 168 and 169 abolition or creation of legislative council in state of 170 composition of the legislative assembly article number 171 composition of the legislative council এরপর আর্টিকেল নাম্বার 172 ডিউরেশন অফ স্টেট লেজিসলেটর স্টেট লেজিসলেটর বিনি ডিউরেশন আর্টিকেল নাম্বার 172 আর্টিকেল নাম্বার 173 কোয়ালিফিকেশন ফর মেম্বারশিপ অফ দ্য স্টেট লেজিসলেটর ni যে মেম্বার অফ ni বুংনি কোয়ালিফিকেশন ইন্ডিয়ান কনস্টিটিউশন আর্টিকেল নাম্বার 173 ও সুইজা আর্টিকেল নাম্বার 174 সেশন অফ দ্য স্টেট লেজিসলেটর propagation and dissolution of nini article number 174 article number 175 right of governor to address and send message to the house of houses of nini article number 175 176 special address by the governor and for article number 177 right of minister at advocate general as respect the houses and for office of the state legislature 178 the speaker and deputy speaker of the legislative assembly wo speaker the deputy speaker bini article number 178 amon pore 179 vacancies and resignation of and remove from the office of speaker and deputy speaker te deputy speaker bini office ne hoite remove ya khaiba resignation ya khaiba remove laine ba article number 179 power of the deputy speaker or other person to perform the duties of the office or to act as speaker about article number 180 power of the deputy speaker or other person to perform the duties of the office of or to act as speaker of article number 181 the speaker or the deputy speaker not to preside while a resolution for his removal from office in under consideration article number 181 article number 182 the chairman and deputy chairman of the legislative council chairman and deputy chairman legislative council article number 182 article number 183 vacancy of resignation or and remove from the office of chairman and deputy chairman of article number 183 abo speaker deputy speaker by abo mistake takadi mo hangka nini chairman hingga 183 ega 179 hingga abo chairman deputy chairman speaker deputy speaker ni ega abo onek somoy mistake ni thamo amon pore nadi article number 184 power of the deputy chairman or other person to perform the duties of the office of or the AKS chairman of article number nini 185 the chairman or the deputy chairman not to preside while a resolution for his removal from office is under consideration of article number 186 salaries and allowance of the speaker and deputy speaker and the chairman and deputy chairman nini Indian constitution article number 186 nini deputy chairman te deputy chairman deputy speaker deputy speaker promi salary te allowance abonato ye abon pore article number 187 secretariat of the state legislative of and for article number 188 out of affirmation by the member by the member of nini 188 189 voting in house, power of houses to act, notwithstanding vacancies, withstanding vacancies and quorum. Article number 190 vacancy of seat. Article number 191 disqualification for membership. Article 192 decision on the question as to disqualification of member. Article number 193 penalty of sitting and putting before making order affirmation under Article 188 or when not qualified or when disqualified. Power of privilege and eminent state legislator and their member 194 power and privilege above nini 195 pingai salaries and allowance of member only nini legislature member only above bini salary te allowance above article number 195 and for legislative procedure article number 196 provision as to introduction and passing of bill overall. Article number 197 restriction on power of legislative council as to bill other than money bill. Article number 198 special procedure in respect of money bill. Article number 199 definition of money bill. Money bill definition is stating. And for article number 200 SN to bill SN to 200. After 201 bill reserved to consideration about important airport procedure in financial matter about nini article number 202 annual financial statement state ni about nini article number 202 annual financial statement article number 203 procedure in legislative with respect to estimate article number 204 appropriate bill article number 205 supplementary additional and excess grant article number 206 vote on account vote of credit acceptation grant above article number 207 special provision as to financial bill procedure generally article number 208 rule of procedure article number 209 regulation by law procedure in the legislative of the state in relation to financial business article number 210 language to be used in language to be used in legislature article number 211 restriction on discussion in the legislature article number 212 court not to inquiry it proceeding of the legislator against tini saimaka or nini state ni abo ek থেকে দুইবার নাইদি হিকে যত সব তলাওয়া tricksajak.in or material rock naidi night only krengai tongdi again next class of malapina ambai